Hi viewers, already made a video like this about the Villiers Mark 10 and 12. This shows another proof about their sump when they got all sludgy. What can happen? Let me show you. The sump is full and the dipper tray will take a long time to fill up, and by that the engine will remain without oil while running. Imagine all that RPM scooping out this. It's not even half full yet. They made it this way so the engine won't have excess oil and it will burn oil and smoke a lot. But there's a drawback about it. Now it's almost halfway. While I'm servicing this pump, I thought I'd show you another proof. It's a short video, but thank you for watching.